Hi, I'm Lee.
And I'm Deb, and we do the Busby girls' laundry almost every week.
Chunk them. Let's purge.
Oh, let's do.
Danielle's not here. But last time you were here, like I went through everything that I knew that I could find, and then everything else I just threw in the trash.
Oh, that's what we like. We like that.
There's only so much that like we can keep up with, especially a week like this where Danielle is off in Dallas. And so it's just been me like manning the fort and trying to just maintain the house. It's just a huge help to have people that are just willing to just jump in, come in, help us. They're like little sock fairies.
I've never been called a sock fairy before.
Oh, take a walk out into the backyard. Go look at all the socks laying from the slab to the trampoline.
Oh, no.
Oh.
What do you like to do when you're washing their clothes?
The right way to do it, as far as Lee and I are concerned, is we gather all the socks, all the underwear, and all the pajamas and put them in there. Now, sometimes that's too low. And then we wash like all of the tops and the leggings and like everyday wear. Then we'll wash maybe all sweatshirts together. And then we'll wash, at the very end, we'll wash all the jeans and shorts.
How many loads do you think you guys do in a day?
6.
Probably 6, yeah. Adam washed everything together. And so Adam obviously did not get the memo, but you know, at least they're clean, I guess. Guess I shouldn't complain.
Okay.
When we first get over here, before we even start washing, Lee will go upstairs and look through by the beds, everywhere on the floor for socks, underwear, pajamas, or any dirty clothes.
Baby clothes. We refuse to do baby doll clothes. We refuse.
She throws them down that chute right there, and they just kind of fall right there. Or if you're over there, it'll fall on your head.
And this is where the dresser is with the sock drawer. And if they don't like a pair of socks, they just end up on the floor.
So this drawer is for all the Quinta.
This is for all of them. So by the end of the day, we've come in here and had to reorganize because it's a mess, especially since they get their own clothes out. And then a lot of times if they're helping mom do the laundry or dad, they'll bring clothes to put clothes away.
And that's pretty much every week you're organizing this dresser.
Oh, sure. So this is Riley's room, and this has the closet of everything that hangs up. And it has underwear and all the pajamas. And they don't necessarily want their pajamas to match. Just a shirt that's clean, and the pants are somewhere in the laundry. This is their underwear drawer.
Are they reversing their underwear in order to make it work?
Hopefully they weren't wearing them twice.
So then, we don't know, are clean or dirty. I don't know. So we'll wash them again. Sometimes we leave Blayke's room alone. Now that she's older, she likes to put away her own clothes. She likes to bring out her dirty stuff. So this is from 2 rooms. We have 1 more to go. This is Parker and Hazel's room. And I don't know, those are clean or dirty. So.
Oh, this is where it goes.
This little pole is inconvenient, but I guess something has to hold up the top of it. Beware, Deb.
And also, I'll do the mud room while she does the upstairs. And usually, you'll find a sock and a shoe and one in the dirty clothes already. So, and then socks, you know, and that's a whole nother story.
And we save the socks for last.
It's hard to reach in here and not lean on this door. And if you lean on the door, it's gonna come off. But the only good hinge on the whole door is that one. These are the loads that Adam did already that are clean, but they were piled up and stacked and they had a lot of wrinkles in them, so. Oh, and then that happened.
What would be ideal in this laundry room?
Oh, if it'd be about 3 times the size. For sure. Oh yes, 3 times the size and maybe another set of washer and dryer. Yeah, how about that? This is all clean and pretty wrinkle free, I think. So. Oh my gosh, look at this living room. It is like full.
I have an idea. Add a laundry room upstairs.
We could.
There's plumbing.
There's plumbing and there's plenty of girls.
There's that little office area The top of the stairs?
We actually, whenever we were shopping for houses, we saw a couple houses that had the laundry rooms upstairs. And we're like, oh, that would actually be super convenient because like most of the clothes that we're washing are upstairs. Like how noisy it would be up there. Just because it's like vibrating on like the subfloor and just like, I don't know, it seems like it would kind of echo through the house. I don't know.
Then you could have me on one floor and Deb on another floor.
Yeah.
Get twice the laundry.
How efficient we would be.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
We could have little earphones and still be chatting.
Yeah, like they do in the TV world.
Yeah.
Could you hurry up, Billy?
They're kind of sorted, so now we'll start folding and figuring out if it's Quint or Blayke. I think would be Blayke. A lot of times Bo and Gus will lay in the middle of the clean clothes. Did you already go through this basket?
No.
Okay. It looks half folded, but.
Do you often make a mistake where you wash something that was already washed?
Not too often. I can smell it and tell if it's. Sometimes we rewash if it's too wrinkled. If Deb can't get the wrinkles out.
Oh my gosh. This looks so, it's not perfectly wrinkle free, but it's so much better than it was. So, okay, this is crazy. One of the Quints wanted that. And
now it's
trying to pull
stuck.
through the hole, and now it's like really like jammed in a hole. Holy.
Here. Yeah, there's Deb's pet peeve.
So it's been washed, like inside out with the underwear still on it. So I'm like, girls, can we just pull that underwear off and like put your hand in there and pull that out like that? And then wash it? No, we can't.
How long have you been doing their laundry?
So I started coming and helping Deb when they were 5 months old. When they were babies, we would do a load or two, but we were mostly taking care of the babies. And that's one of our biggest questions is, what do y'all do? Why do y'all still go over there? It's like the girls aren't home. Why do y'all go?
Yeah, they don't need you anymore now that they're in school.
Yeah, and we're like, have you seen this?
They still wear clothes.
They wear clothes 3 sets a day sometimes.
Probably the most rewarding part is just helping Danielle.
To come over and see that the laundry room is piled high with clothes, and by the time we leave, hopefully, the pile's gone.
I used to worry about her before she even had the kids, and I didn't even know her then. Long story short is like, we just started helping, and now it's just like, the girls really don't need us that much. Darn it. It's more fun than a job, so we've never even thought about getting paid. I mean, I guess our payment is like, they let us go through their pantry and look for Oreos and eat them for free.
Seeing the girls grow too. We kind of helped them learn to crawl, and we helped them learn to walk.
It's way more fun doing little people's laundry than adult laundry. So it probably hasn't helped me at home because my husband does all the laundry.
At my own house, I've always liked to do laundry. I don't like to clean house, but I like to do laundry.
And you
So-
like babies.
And I like babies, and so that's how she got me sucked in first, was the babies.
These socks here don't have a pair to them yet. We're hoping that the other pair is either, it's in the dryer. If not, we're hoping that basket, which is nothing but singles. Honestly, that basket really never reduces, and I don't understand it. I mean, we do find
'Cause
matches
we've looked
out of
everywhere.
it. But if we find 5 matches, we'll find 5 more singles to add to it. So I don't even understand that. Every once in a while, when we give up, we just throw them away. Stick them in the bottom of the garbage can so nobody sees them. No.
JK.
No.
But yeah, we do.
But sometimes we do. We tell Danielle we throw them away, but
Oh yeah.
0 for 2.
oh, put that basket over here. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay, now I'm good. Now I'm good. Oh yeah. Okay, here. Ready? Yeah. Isn't that a cyst? What? Oh.
No, I can't even.
Yeah, let me see you do it right there.
Oh.
Oh, that's all.
She's not competitive at all. Look, I got more.
There. So I like to open it this way, but really. Oh, And that's why you don't open it that way. Yes.
If anybody would like to sponsor a new dryer for the Busbys,
Yes.
maybe 2.
Yes. That's not it. Lee. It's over here. Now push it in.
I think so.
Oh, okay. Now it opened this way. That's good. That's fine. Good. It's all good.
Don't breathe.
I know, right? Don't.
It might fall off.
Oh, these feel pretty good. Not completely. So because this dryer won't really keep up with that whole load, I usually just put half in there. You can see there's a whole bunch in there, but there's that much more in here, and we need that to kind of go fast. So this dryer has seen its better days. So
now you're organizing it by drawers.
yeah,
So you want me to put them all in there?
yeah.
Set of 5. Makes us happy.
Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. Short sleeve set. Okay, short sleeve gown. Wow, more short sleeve gown.
Oh gosh, you carry that by yourself? Huh?
Yes.
Wow. Now you have
That's
muscles.
why I work out. That's why I go to CrossFit.
So now that the baskets are up here, what do you guys do next?
We unload the baskets, kind of organize as to whether they go on a shelf, in a drawer, or hang up, and then we put them away.
Once you go in that closet, you don't know if you're going to come out. Because that end is where they throw everything. And there's a few shelves, but most everything ends up on the floor. See, I like to just hand to her because she's so good at organizing. So I just let her be in the dark doing all that.
In the dark, that's it. See, she organizes the hanging clothes.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
most of the time, do you see the drawers empty like this?
They're pretty empty usually because, well, yeah, they do. They get empty pretty quick. 3.
What advice could you give for parents of multiples doing laundry?
Find a Deb and Lea.
Do it as often as possible.
Yes. Don't let it get behind. This old big girl's giving out. That's what my grandmother would have said. Instead of getting tired, you're giving out.
Do you guys
to be.
put in these little baskets in here?
Well, that was actually a Danielle thing.
That's smart.
Yeah, it's a good one.
More tips and tricks.
Yep.
Single
So the ones.
This one's a fun drawer. This is for leggings. And so we usually have them, we kind of fold them where they're like on their side, like, like this, grouped. Let's see.
Do you ever think about rolling them?
That would be an interesting idea.
I noticed in the other room some of their gymnastics
Was it rolled?
leotards were rolled.
Oh,
Yes.
well, maybe we should try that. Come on over here, Lee.
If it doesn't,
Like today.
Like right now. You could.
I don't know.
that's an idea too.
Can you imagine them pulling that out of there?
They're all going to fly out. Is that your point?
Well, I don't know.
How's that going to figure out how that's going to work? That's laying down. See, because some of these, there's only singles. Like some of these, there's only one pair.
Yeah, and to see them all, it may be best that you stand them up. Comment down below what you think would be the best method of rolling leggings in the drawer. Should we roll them like this and put them going this way? Or should we put them up and down like this?
Let's see.
And if it doesn't work, next week you realize, oh, it made it worse. Then you go back.
I don't know. That
And
that's
it's
true,
funny
but-
though, because I've had people ask me, and I know Lee has too, we've talked about it over. So do y'all get paid, And we're like, well, no, we don't get paid, and it's never been a job. It's just been a fun.
We don't want it to be a job. We don't want to get paid.
It's a good ministry, and it just kind of helps you understand them and what their life is like. Trying to get us. Somebody was trying
Somebody
to get
off.
us. Oh, do y'all do laundry?
I just say you can't afford us.
Yeah. Truly, you cannot afford
You
us.
can't.
Have people that are just willing to just jump in, come in, help us, kind of control our chaos sometimes. And start digging in their drawer and they just start throwing stuff, looking for whatever. It drives me up the wall. And it takes like a few days of just like strict focus to like get everything back down again. But there's 6 kids up there. What can you do?
Deb, Lee, do you guys approve of Adam's washing?
Oh, definitely.
He does pretty good.
Does a good job of washing and drying. Well, maybe except for that.
Well, he doesn't inside out the socks or the pants or anything like that, but I mean, we'll take what we can get.
I try.
He
I
tries.
try the ones that I see, but usually it's just like a huge pile, and so that
It's best
like-
not to look.
I probably pulled about 10 pairs of underwears out of blue jeans.
He's pretty good. We wouldn't have it any other way.
Yeah, it's just a huge help.
And we do the Busby girls.
Take 45. Now we know why it's always. Hi, I'm Lee.
And I'm Deb. And we do the Busby laundry every week. Or we try to every week.
I don't know, Lee. I broke it this time.
Lift up and push.
Okay.